How to check if someone reported your Instagram account. For that, you need to first open up your Instagram application. Just tap on the app to open it up. Once you open up the app, on the bottom right corner, you'll find your profile icon. Simply head over there to open up your profile. And once you get to your profile section, all you need to do now is find the three lines at the top right corner. Go ahead and tap on it. And once you get here, you'll be landed on your settings and activity page. Now scroll down a bit until you find the help center or more support info. Just tap on help. And once you get here, tap on support requests right at the bottom of your screen. Then you will have different options here. So the first one is reports. So these are the reports you have submitted on Instagram and Threads. And then there is safety notice, find resources to help you recover from a difficult experience. And then finally, violations. These are the posts you've shared on Instagram or Threads that go against the guidelines. So tap on violations. And if someone has submitted a report to you, it will be shown right here. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video was helpful to you, and I'll see you guys next time.